In our journey of getting to know every single tool in Photoshop, today we are going to talk about the magic wand. So the magic wand basically allows you to select pixels in image based on similar tones in color. So you just select your magic wand and then click on the area you want to select, but make sure it has similar tones in color. Yeah, that's all you need to know. And then, for instance, if I click here, because it has similar tones in color, it selects the area which is similar. But then if I try to select the model's face, the subject's face, it selects only a portion of where I clicked, which is in the highlights area of the face. And then if I click here too, it selects another portion, which in this case might be the shadows here because of where I clicked. And then let's say, for instance, I want to select what she's holding. If I click here, it selects the bright area of the book she's holding, but if I click here, it selects just a portion. Yeah, so that's how the magic wand works. See you in the next video. Make sure you like, you comment, you subscribe.